Hi, this is Chilukuri from Refresh Dermatology, Houston, Texas, but we're live from Winter Park, Colorado, talking about protecting your skin in the wintertime. One of my favorite sunscreens that we haven't talked about yet is actually by Skin Medica. And you can see this is something I travel with on a regular basis, and this is called Skin Medica Total Defense and Repair. This is very unique and very different than every other sunscreen that's out there because it's not just a simple sunscreen, but it's a super screen. What do we mean by that? This has a particular component inside of it that's called Sol-IR, S-O-L-IR. It actually helps your body regenerate that sun-damaged skin and help heal itself. Very, very unique. The antioxidants inside here are what makes this product so different than everything else. Because you have the regenerative properties, you see that at the end of a day when you're putting the sunscreen on a second time, it's going to help regenerate your skin and reverse that sun damage that you attained during that day. In addition, it has the normal components that we expect from all great sunscreens today, which is a physical sunblock. You have both titanium dioxide as well as zinc oxide in different levels to protect you throughout the day. But again, it's not a simple sunscreen. This is a super screen. So if you really want to learn more, please call us at our office, 713-344-0450, or look us up on the web at refreshdermatology.com. Again, this is Chilukuri, Refresh Dermatology, Houston, Texas, but reporting live from Winter Park, Colorado, talking about how you can protect your winter skin.